And there you go. Swapped out the exhaust. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another fantastic video with your boy Easy E. And if you can see, I'm still plugging away at the old Pontiac Torrent. So let's go see what we did. I hope we got excellent audio. Like I said, last time I think it was my phone, but we're going to see. Use my phone again to control the GoPro. So we're going to see how it turned out. So, I guess in this video, I'll be attacking the exhaust system because I don't like how it looked. And we did have a parts car that I do have the whole exhaust system from that car. And I said a whole exhaust system because between the resonator and the catalytic converter, that flange, the bolts are rusty, and I snapped one off before I even started this video because I had to make sure I got everything I need to do the job. So I had to run to my nearest Advanced Auto Parts where they know me and pick up 2 exhaust flanges, one for the cat to the motor and the other one for the cat to the resonator, the rest of the exhaust. It's only a 2-piece exhaust. And remember, I do get started without y'all. So I already got it disconnected from the motor, which was easy because y'all know I dropped the motor in this car. So that was no problem. Those bolts and studs came off real good. I said bolt and stud. Well, nut and stud. Because one of them, the nut will come off, and the other one, the whole stud comes off out of the engine. So where you mount it. So let's go. Let's take another walk around. Really haven't did nothing to the car, but I did paint the top of the car. So if y'all want to take a look at that, here you go. Nice and shiny and glossy, because I did get up there and pull her out the garage. And I use one of my power tools, which I got to hang them back. Oh, I'm using them. Use one of my power tools and some soap, and I scrub the heck out of the top of this car just to see was there any damage and was there any sun fading. And there was. From sitting so long, the top of the car was faded. So put some of that super black on there with some clear coat, call it a day. Like I said, it's easier for me to just paint the whole top by itself than trying to reach over the whole side of the car while the side of the car is wet and painted. Paint it by itself, so when I tape off the car, I tape off the roof with it. Still got to get another windshield. That's why I just end up pulling a little weather stripping out. So I'd have to tape off the weather stripping, and you have a nice contour and the transition. Nice transition, so I don't got to worry about no paint flaking from any tape lines. When you do it that way, it's easier. I did take off the savvy mirrors and this molding and all the door handles. So let's go take a look at this also. Before we take a look at the exhaust, I did take off the handle right here because even though I didn't want to put this one on there because you cannot take the screws out. One of the screws are already rusted out. Other ones I was not going to attempt to get out. And remember, spider web, some of the hood. And remember, we had a parts car. So I still got a lot of parts from the other car. Well, man, that is a rust reform. We can be setting it down. But let's go take a look at this exhaust. That's why we're going to be changing it, because I don't like it. I wouldn't like myself if I sold this car with the exhaust looking like it is. I need to change it. So There's your muffler. Yeah, see, it's quite rusty over here. And I think it's the same way on the other side in the front right there. It's holding a lot of water. There's the catalytic converter off of the red Pontiac Torrent. So I do keep the cats, and the exhaust is on the side of the garage. Let's see, I've been up under here already. Get some light. So there's the flange from your cat to the rest of the resonator and exhaust. I heated up one of the bolts, got WD-40, and it just snapped off. And they are 15, supposed to be 15s, but these no longer 15s. So I was going to do the hard way. Knowing I've always liked doing the stuff the hard way for some reason. I was going to just knock the studs out of that cat and knock these studs out so I won't have to drop from the manifold. But I nope, I couldn't get the studs out the other one. End up mushrooming the one of the studs. So I gave up. Ain't that much, just a lot of surface rust under here. Like they did have it undercoated at one time. But if you can see way back there, you can see where the exhaust is rusting out on the other end. So I'm going to drop this. Should be fairly simple because all I got to do is pull all these exhaust hangers off and she should be ready to drop since she's no longer bolted to the engine. Like I said, there's the nut and the stud right there. So let me get to work. So with the exhaust down and out, we'll take a better look at it. I'm starting to cut with these studs out and cut those. So I'll be able to separate these two units. It's a shame I couldn't get the bolts out, but you can see all the rust. We got rust right there, rust right there. More rust, lots of rust. But I could have been a shady or a shade tree, which I call a mechanic, and kept my exhausters on the side that's in way better condition and let this go with this rusty exhaust muffler, and so it'd be somebody else's problem. But since I got this nice one over here, I would just use this one. That way I can scrap that one or just keep that for a while and use the exhaust for parts, because I'm going to scrap this one. I haven't put no pictures on there, but I did some exhaust work on another car to make a video of. So I got to scrap those mufflers. But like I said, this is, for me, this is the only way I do exhaust, since we don't have a shop with a lift and I lay on my back. just tilt the car to one side, unbolt everything, drop the hangers, and slide it from up under the car. Usually that's what I do, and I weld it outside out there and slide it back under the car. When I'm doing exhaust repairs, and make sure you got your exhaust hanger remover tool down there. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Here you go one. But now it's time to get the cat up there. Then I'll pull the other exhaust in and get that mounted. And I should be done for today. Just something simple, something I gotta do, something I gotta get out the way. I did buy new gaskets, so I bought the little gasket right there because I thought I was missing it. I did end up finding it on my garage floor, right here. But I bought another one, brand new one. So I'll just change the gaskets if you're doing something like this. So I make sure to get these gaskets up in there. One is a Field Pro gasket, number 61054. And the other one is for your cat to from your cat to your resonator is 31589. And this one's just for your cat that goes up into the exhaust. That part right there. So you gotta stop saying so. So let's just get back to work so I can get this over and done with. Because I can't really paint. Because I have no painting. I have no paint and no more clear coat. And I haven't had time to run to my auto body supply store to get another gallon of super black paint and some more clear coat. Today I was gonna sand this car down and not make a video, but I'm like, I'm gonna do the exhaust because I don't like how it looked. Let's turn this into a video. Whenever I'm trying to do something, just make this into a video. So let's jump back into this.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit.
And there you go. Swapped out the exhaust. Plugged back in the O2 sensor. Take a look from the back. So yeah, I do say, if you got the parts, swap them out. Like I said, I could have left it alone and left that good exhaust to sit out there rust free. But no, we're gonna put this rust free exhaust on to this Pontiac Torrent. I'm gonna rust reform this. More flaking of paint. Didn't see that before. But my GoPro about to go dead as usual. But we did get something done in this video. Oh, forgetting where I put my tripod at. So I guess that's going to be it. So if you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did in making it, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations and we take donations of cars. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. With all that said, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!